Janelle and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a vegan alternative to butter chicken, butter chickpeas. It's really yummy. It only takes about 30 minutes or less to whip up. It tastes pretty much just like butter chicken, how you'd expect the sauce to taste, but vegan. This butter chickpeas dish is creamy, it's warming, it's spicy, it's everything you would expect to be in a butter chicken meal. It's like a big warm hug in a bowl. Also, this recipe doesn't require a lot of ingredients, so that's also what makes it so fast to whip up. And there's not a lot of prep involved. Anywho's, I hope you guys like the recipe video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 block of extra firm tofu that has been pressed, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 cup of tomato sauce, or you can use 1 can of tomato paste that has been mixed with enough water to make 1 cup, 1 yellow onion, 4 cloves of garlic, a 1 to 2 inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 can of full fat coconut milk, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and some spices: chili powder, cumin, turmeric, garam masala, cinnamon, coriander, and salt. The amounts of all the spices are in the video description below. Start by cubing up the tofu, chopping the onion, and finally mincing the garlic and ginger. In a large skillet or saucepan, heat up the coconut oil on medium-high heat until completely melted. Add in the chopped onion and minced garlic and ginger. Stir and cover for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the onion has softened and is slightly translucent. Somehow I didn't press the record button for this next step. Oops. But next, add in the spice blend and stir until the mixture is completely coated. Let the spices toast in the pan until delightfully fragrant, which is about 2 minutes. Next, pour in the tomato sauce and coconut milk and stir until completely mixed. Add in the chickpeas, tofu, and nutritional yeast and stir until completely coated in the sauce. Turn the heat down to medium, cover with a lid, and let simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. And voila! The sauce has thickened up nicely and become super creamy and rich and has darkened in color slightly. This is now ready for you to enjoy on top of some basmati rice, my favorite grain of choice for this meal, but feel free to choose whichever is your grain of preference. Hot tip, eat this with some buttery naan bread or roti if you want. I didn't have any on hand when I filmed this, but it's butter chickpeas' best friend, so I highly recommend. There you have it, folks, my butter chickpeas recipe. Let me know what you think. I would love your feedback. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I promise I'll get back to you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, poke that subscribe button. I will be posting new videos every single week, so hit that little bell button so you get notified and don't ever miss one of my videos. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!